Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a Syrian street food sandwich called Sujuk. Sujuk is a spiced up meat placed in bread, served with pickles and tomatoes and a side of yogurt drink. Today I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. Let's get started. Start out by adding 2.5 pounds of ground beef, and to the ground beef I added about 2 to 3 ounces of fat. Now I used lamb fat because that lamb fat's going to give it a really good flavor, but it is optional. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and half a tablespoon of cumin. Then add 1 tablespoon of Aleppo pepper and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Then add 1.5 tablespoon of fresh garlic paste or fresh garlic. And with clean hands, start mixing it with your meat. Then on a large baking sheet, place a piece of parchment paper and start spreading your meat mixture. The reason why I'm doing this on a baking sheet is because we want to get a thin piece of meat, and I'll show you how it looks like in the end. So this is how thin you want it to be, probably about 1/4 inch. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place your meat mixture in the oven for 13 minutes or until your meat is fully cooked. Now while my meat is cooking, we're going to need 3 tomatoes that I'm going to slice up so we can put in our sandwiches. Place your tomatoes in a separate plate, and then we're going to need 1 can of pickles. Now I'm using the Mediterranean pickles. You can find these at the Middle Eastern store. They are a little bit different than your American pickles, and they taste a lot better with this sandwich. Slice them long ways and set them aside. And this is what my meat looks like after 15 minutes in the oven. As you can tell, it has shrunk in size. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut it into little strips so we can put it into our sandwiches. And this is the size that you want it to be. It depends on how big your hoagie bread is. So here are our 3 main ingredients: the meat, the tomatoes, and the pickles. You're gonna need some hoagie rolls, and I like to get the smaller ones just like this. Make a slit through the bread and add your meat inside. Now we're gonna put this in a panini press. After putting it in the panini press, we will add our tomatoes and our pickles. Place them in your panini press until they are crispy on the outside. Get them out of the panini press, and then we're gonna add our pickles and tomatoes. And your sandwiches are ready to serve. In Syria, this is served with a yogurt drink called laban ayran. I'll be making that recipe soon. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.